There are many service providers out there, but we're sure you want a good one with professional touch. We have it.
Hello from OGS Mechanics workshop. Hope you stay safe this time, challenging times. We have here today a BMW 3 Series 2016, a hybrid vehicle, which was reported in with quite extensive oil leak from the transmission. This is the electric connector that it is connected to the electric motor of the gearbox, and as you can see, it's quite contaminated with oil that literally was leaking through the connector that goes inside the gearbox. So basically is a tiny seal, like as it can be seen in here. This is the replacement unit that we've got. Here is the one that we've removed from the vehicle. It was pinched and it was letting the oil to escape. Oil has traveled all along through the harness, hybrid harness, back to the charger. We had to replace this, quite an expensive part, but all this was caused by a minor rubber o-ring. As it happened very often, minor faults can cause big defects. Again, a glimpse in type of repairs that we do. We undertake hybrid repairs also, and this is a case on one of them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.
So, if you want to find out more information about us, check out the link below.